Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So the folks over at Fantasale sent me over a couple of things to review, and this is one of them, an 11-inch adjustable articulating arm for your DSLR, cell phone, GoPro, whatever you want to put on here. Should have a clamp in here as well, which I think will be very useful for me. So you get, obviously, lots of things in the box here to help you with your setup. You can see all these things can come apart. And you can do a whole bunch of different adjustments. This is if you had a hot shoe on your camera, you wanted to put something up there. This is obviously for a cell phone. You can see the adjustments there. You can do the adjustments like this. Make it however big your cell phone is, tablet, whatever you wanted to put on there. And you've got an extra adjustable arm there. You got some things for a GoPro and other cameras and such. You've got a little microfiber cloth in there, and then here's the clamp that you could use to adjust and put it onto, like if I were going to use this, I would clamp this to my desk right here in front of me. And I'll go ahead and set that up right now with my DSLR and show you how I would actually use this for recording videos right here in the office. So this is how this would work for me. It'd be perfect for me for shooting videos right here in the office. You can see how the arm just kind of latches onto my desk here. And it's very stable too, very sturdy. I don't foresee this moving at all. You just hook up the hinge right here or to whatever you're going to latch it onto. This is how I'm definitely going to use this. This will save me some space on my desk from having a tripod sitting on my desk. And this is going to be very, very useful. I can definitely tell. So that's just a quick video unboxing of this accessory right here. I think this is going to be extremely useful in my case. So thanks for joining me in this video. You get a lot of accessories here. You could use this any way you wanted to. In my situation, this is definitely how I'm going to use it for my DSLR. Right here in the office, again, it'll save me a lot of space being on the desk, and I'll save my tripods for something else probably more than likely, but give me a lot more stable video, less bumpy cams. So it's your man Jay. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.